amu na akwa aba e de benkasa TV netifo krata chenturenche bi e de akwa koma the office of Nana Addo Dankwa for the NDC akachi netifo omde ba se Chief Justice Torkono kabeyan komo hwena komo yinu emfiso anhwa he will not serve the interest of the NDC. And if you say in say ene pepepe na former mampeni Nana Addo Dankwa for efi aban ne so akọ and it NDC Professor Azza on the UK based professor na so it for Ghana ni pepepe they are basing because of certain conditions na they are no Chief Justice Torkono so anhwa ontumi serve the service of the the NDC government. And it will try aircraft and as a petition be at the command the office of the president. Now, so himself, Nana Addo Dankwa Fado, if you suntanka, and Cornoco planets and Casa petitions and as a sacratano at the command president Obasu in a year, which is former president John Dramani Mahama. Nana a man penny Nana Addo Dankwa Fado at the swift response be at the command NDC Manukunu, led by Professor Azza. And Chimu in our purchasing to know, repetition and as a request no me decline the fair IT for answer to an Chief Justice get to Torkono and office and any ochina. And until some people no quoting some from the to Ambra. Madam Wina.
Yeah. About a month or so ago, and I cited publications via Nainam from Professor Stephen Kweku Asare, Diana and Professor Azar. Our law professor, he's based in the USA. Kratabi, our debate on the basis, so no fee say, a son's hangman it is enough grounds. Say, I was the president in consultation with the Council of State, international Mofishim, na Chief Justice Eddie Freehold after going through the various processes. Na nkofobi ebusai se adia Professor Stephen Kwasari ayidie eyefidie bi ene wasumu ana isan se or the petition ne ko knowing perfectly well say time akasha say Nana Addo Dankwa Fado e be free so ntimi hwe petition ni na John Dramani Mahama ba onwa ba be inherit petition no na in consultation with the Council of State of forming and I face no with the overwhelming majority of more parliament ometimi agina so e de yi Chief Justice e de free honomo ana eno ne Nana Addo Dankwa Fado e de a swift response aba mpo ansana 7th January 2025 aba bidru na ebeken kan e de ache say for immediate release President Akufo-Addo dismisses petition against Chief Justice. The office of the president wishes to inform the general public that after a thorough and careful review of the petition for the removal of the Chief Justice, Justice Gertrude Saki Torkono, President of the Republic, Nana Addo Dankwa Fado, in consultation with the Council of State, has concluded that the petition does not disclose a prima facie case warranting further action. The petition was submitted by Professor Stephen Kweku Asare, citing allegations of misbehavior and incompetence against the Chief Justice. Upon review, the President observed several deficiencies in the petition. The principal ones were: first, the petition was submitted without supporting evidence or documentation to substantiate its claims. The allegations, including claims of panel reconstitution, issuance of practice directions, and purported constitutional breaches by the Chief Justice, were found to be unsupported by evidence. The petitioner failed to demonstrate any factual basis or provide credible documentation to substantiate these claims. Secondly, the process and practices cited by the petitioner, such as the Chief Justice's administrative responsibilities under the Courts Act, were found to be consistent with the law and established practices. The President feels constrained to observe that, contrary to constitutional provisions, the petition was prematurely circulated in the public domain in breach of Article 1468 of the Constitution, which mandates that proceedings of this nature be held in camera to protect the integrity of the judiciary. Such a violation undermines the solemnity of the process and the principles enshrined in the Constitution to safeguard judicial independence. The President is unhappy to observe that such a violation should have been occasioned by a lawyer. Based on the findings and observations and in alignment with the recommendations of the Council of State, the petition is deemed frivolous, vexatious, and unmeritorious. President Akufo-Addo reaffirms his unalloyed commitment to the independence and integrity of the judiciary, which remains a cornerstone of Ghana's democracy. The office of the President cautions against attempts to undermine judicial independence through baseless allegations and emphasizes the importance of adhering to constitutional provisions in addressing grievances. Signed, Eugene Ahim, Director of Communications, Office of the President. Eti we any krata Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo through the Director of Communications Ediabeto Abonten. Say Professor Azar Nensem Okruchie Edigu krata so do kopie mo Office of the President. Say yenye hwehwemu fa Chief Justice mo yenye free hono, citing numerous reasons. The President and the legal counsel in consultation with Council of State etenase no mo say ensem odi tu dwa nyina oni nyina so bia na point no mugina so di bogu ye no e point mienu. First one and say kwadu o de ball me ma Chief Justice ni nyina wanya adanse bia amfa itachi ni nyina eye atisem ene de na adwen ye no na emum enyina so bia eni hono adanse bia eni hono ye to so emienu so. Professor Kwaku Asare and someone can say certain procedures the Chief Justice Efanso Dino Jumano. There was against a year court President transfer the Council of State consultation who say Nina Yenima SC pain in the office of the Chief Justice and maybe a pim justice or more upper pain and so Efasa kind so I edit Omujuma. As a second point of Jina so Eddie able to go here. Now lastly, and it's a assembly say empempino yemfa ememe to bedwem e krata otro na wankasa kokuom wakosubmit ewo the office of the President na emu hwehweye no mpo no enya dia yeye ema public put it in camera Latin word kire say in secret na je say assembly say ye ka no kokuom na se mpo yenya nyina so bia kokuom mu aye ka no na se be na fi ho ayi na fi ho no yenya nhunu sa asama waka no kure bi wo mpo wo de asam no ebe to Facebook so bia enhwe eno ena na dan Akufo-Addo se ene nwanwa se wo bi oye lawyer na wasua mara na se oye law professor ebe yes adi ni nyina nkamfo no President even as his departing is still preaching judicial independence. Nti NDC fo bia omode sa asem ko yie ma omo court a ena omo feel say court papa Ghana judiciary adwuma e court yo mo pe ene the judiciary no ye just ye nyomo nyina free on omo ka Chief Justice is he din omo de frɛ no ene osono maame, which is very 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 unfair. We any someone you free the office of the President aba our betuja. Now in other news you say na news be circulate say the President has granted presidential pardon. I know dia different no any